Copying and renaming databases in phpMyAdmin. This tutorial will show you how to copy and rename databases in phpMyAdmin. For this tutorial, we are connected to phpMyAdmin using the root MySQL user. When connecting as another user, some options may be disabled dependent on the server's configuration and the specific privileges granted to the user by the system administrator. On systems configured to use Plesk, the master MySQL user is the admin user instead of root. On Linux-based systems, database names, database users, table names, and column names are case-sensitive, whereas on Windows-based systems, these names are case-insensitive. First, let's select a database. Click the database name. Other users will only see and be able to access databases that they have been given the privileges to access. Many systems are configured with control panel software installed used to delegate the administration of the accounts on the server. Whenever possible, it is recommended that you use the controls within the control panel itself for certain tasks, such as the creation of databases, creation of users, management of user privileges, etc., instead of phpMyAdmin. Performing these tasks outside of the control panel can produce undesirable results in the operation of the control panel software. Click the Operations tab. Let's copy the database. Enter the name to copy database to. Here we can select whether to copy the structure, data, or both the new database. Since we are copying to a database that does not exist yet, we're going to leave this option checked. Many control panels have disabled the privilege for creating databases for users other than the master user to force the use of the controls in the control panel. If you're accessing with a user that doesn't have the privileges to create a database in phpMyAdmin, you may need to create the empty database first via your control panel, then uncheck the Create Database option here when attempting to copy. If you're attempting to replace the structure and/or content of one existing database with the structure and/or content of the currently selected one, check this checkbox. Otherwise, the data will simply be copied to the existing tables. This will select the character set to be used in the new database, which should remain the same unless you need it converted to something else. Click the Go button. Now let's rename our new copy. Enter the new database name. Click the Go button. Click the OK button. Congratulations, you now know how to copy and rename databases in phpMyAdmin.